The happy fruit party. Hello kids. Are you hungry? Because today, we are going to a happy fruit party, clapping hands and say, yummy fruits. Once upon a time, in a colorful garden, 20 yummy fruits came together to meet you. Let's learn their names one by one. 1 apple. This is an apple. Apple is red and shiny. Apple keeps us healthy. Say, apple. 2 banana. This is a banana. Banana is yellow and long. Gives us energy. Peel and eat, yum. 3 grapes. These are grapes. Grapes grow in bunches. They are small and sweet. Count them with me. 4 orange. This is an orange. Orange is round and juicy. It is full of vitamin C. Say, orange. 5 mango. This is a mango. Mango is the king of fruits. It is very sweet and juicy. Yummy mango. 6 pineapple. This is a pineapple. It has a rough skin. It is sweet and sour. Touch your head like pineapple leaves. 7 strawberry. This is a strawberry. Strawberry is red and cute. It has tiny seeds. Say, strawberry. Cherry. This is a cherry. Cherry is small and red. It tastes sweet. Smile like a cherry. 9 papaya. This is a papaya. Papaya is orange inside. It is good for digestion. Say, papaya. 10 pomegranate. This is a pomegranate. It has many red seeds. It is very healthy. Open and see the seeds. 11 kiwi. This is a kiwi. Kiwi is brown outside, green inside. Say, kiwi. 12 guava. This is a guava. Guava is green outside, pink or white inside. Bite and crunch. 13 lychee. This is a lychee. Lychee has a hard peel. Inside is sweet and juicy. Yummy lychee. 14 peach. This is a peach. Peach is soft and fuzzy. Smells very nice. Touch your cheek like peach. 15 blackberry. This is a blackberry. Blackberry is dark and juicy. It is very tasty. Say, blackberry. 16 plum. This is a plum. Plum is purple or red. It tastes sweet and sour. Say, plum. 17 muskmelon. This is a muskmelon. It is big and round. Keeps us cool. Say, muskmelon. 18 watermelon. This is a watermelon. It is green outside, red inside with seeds. Say, watermelon. 19 Indian gooseberry, amla. This is Indian gooseberry, also called amla. It is very healthy, strong body fruit. 20 sapodilla, chiku. This is sapodilla, also called chiku. It is brown and sweet. Yummy chiku. All the fruits smiled happily. They teach us to eat healthy food, grow strong, and stay happy. Did you enjoy the fruit party? Like the video? Subscribe to our channel. Comment your favorite fruit below. See you in the next fun learning video. Bye bye.